Got a new tire just put on. I replaced my Pirelli MT43 tire as a trials type tire with this new tire from MotoZ. I think they're based out of Australia. And just want to let you guys know what my thoughts are so far. I've got about 15 miles on it, and I'm here in Arizona, so I've got sand, rocky terrain, and just real dry. It's been hooking up pretty good so far. I've got about 15 psi in there. I might go a little lower next time I go out riding. It bounces off stuff a little bit more than the MT43 that I was running about 8 psi on, so I'm going to lower that down. It's on a KTM 690 Enduro R. This is a 2013 model. But yeah, I actually had this is an MT43 from Pirelli. I had on the KTM, but I only had about 600 miles on it before it wore down. It's just that I think in this one will give you quite a bit more miles before it runs down. How big the knobs are on that compared to, this is about 80% left from stock, and this is the size on this is 110 by 100 by 18. So far so good. I'll keep you guys posted, let you know how many miles I get out of it. It did take quite a few ounces of weight, I think 6 ounces to balance this tire, so that was kind of weird. Wondering if that's normal or not, but that's the most I ever had to put on the tire to balance it out. So I'll keep you guys posted, and catch up with you later. Bye-bye.